How can your investment shape a better world? In a landscape where financial gain and global responsibility increasingly intersect, sustainable investing emerges as a beacon for those looking to make a difference without compromising on returns. Today, we delve into the realm of sustainable investing, exploring its principles, benefits, and the pivotal role it plays in shaping our future. Sustainable investing, also known as responsible or ESG investing, is more than a trend. It's a strategic approach that integrates environmental, social, and governance criteria into investment decisions. This method doesn't just focus on financial returns, but also on the positive impacts investments can have on the world. Firstly, let's talk about ESG integration. This involves incorporating environmental, social, and governance factors into investment choices. Environmental considerations might include a company's energy use, waste, pollution, and natural resource conservation. Social criteria examine how a company manages relationships with employees, suppliers, customers, and the communities where it operates. Lastly, governance deals with a company's leadership, executive pay, audits, internal controls, and shareholder rights. By evaluating these ESG criteria, investors can identify companies that are not only leaders in their industry, but also pioneers in sustainability. Moving on to the positive impact, sustainable investing actively seeks to contribute to societal and environmental solutions. Investors prioritize projects and companies dedicated to renewable energy, clean technology, and those fighting against climate change. This approach extends to social issues such as human rights, social equality, and access to education, ensuring that investments are creating meaningful change. Screening is another critical aspect. ESG screening involves setting specific criteria to exclude investments that don't meet certain ethical thresholds. This means saying no to industries like fossil fuels, tobacco, and firearms, and also to those engaging in practices that harm the environment, violate human rights, or involve unethical behavior. This selective approach ensures that investments are in line with personal or institutional values. Consider impact investing, a subset of sustainable investing focused on generating a measurable, beneficial social or environmental impact alongside a financial return. Examples include investments in affordable housing, sustainable agriculture, and healthcare. These are not just profitable, they are transformative. Shareholder engagement represents an active approach where investors use their power to influence corporate behaviors. By engaging in dialogues, voting on shareholder resolutions, and participating in collaborative initiatives, investors help steer companies towards sustainable practices and greater transparency. Furthermore, the rise of ESG funds and indexes provides accessible avenues for engaging with sustainable investing. These funds and indexes pool investments in entities that demonstrate robust ESG practices, offering a diversified portfolio that aligns with investors' values and sustainability goals. The risk management benefits of sustainable investing are profound. Companies that excel in ESG criteria often display lower risk profiles and greater resilience to societal and environmental challenges. This can lead to enhanced long-term performance, mitigating risks related to regulatory changes, reputational damage, and other operational challenges. In conclusion, sustainable investing offers more than just financial gains. It promotes long-term value creation by prioritizing entities that are conscientious about their role in the world. For investors, this approach means not only looking at the potential for profit, but also the potential for positive impact. Sustainable investing stands at the crossroads of innovation, ethics, and profitability, providing a path forward for those who seek to invest in the future of our planet and society.